And today we're going to show you how to put together this Graco, thank you, this Graco Blossom high chair for her. Thank you. She likes to give kisses. This high chair on Amazon. It normally runs about $189 or above, and Amazon had it on sale for $138, I believe. But anyway, yeah, we got it from Amazon. And of course, you know, due to the pandemic and everything, we are going to wipe down everything. We normally use Clorox wipes, but any products that belongs to the baby, we always use just rubbing alcohol on the one. So let's go ahead and get started. She's ready. She's want to rip through all of this stuff, but we're gonna have to wipe it down. So, all right, let's get started. So the instruction says that you would need a screwdriver, so I do have that. I also went ahead and got a pair of scissors to cut the plastic and the zip ties. And also I have some alcohol. You want to get at least 70%. All right, let's get started. I wiped down everything, including the booster seat. I know that she won't need it anytime soon, but I just wanted to go ahead and wipe it down anyway. The really cool thing about this high chair is because it grows with the child. As you can see here, it is like 1 through 6 levels. It goes from a high chair that reclines, and a couple other elements, all the way down to when they could just sit at the table. So it's a really cool high chair to have. That's why we invested in it. All right, so let's go ahead and start the assembly process. All right, so I placed the wheels inside the holes here. Well, we both placed the wheels inside the holes. As you heard the little snap, it just snaps into these little holes. And I'll show you a picture of them. Hold on, I'm gonna borrow it. And they go in these 2 little holes right here, and it just snaps right in. All right, next, slide this right here is gonna slide into this base. You wanna help me? Like this. All right, we're gonna slide this in. And you got that in? All right, so each side you're gonna press in the red button in order to get it down. All right, while she's playing with that one, and I'll put that one, red button, you click the red button on the side. There are 2 red buttons on here, and it snaps in. Okay, the base is secured. Ta-da! So next, we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna snap this one in as well. So it's gonna just sit here and snap in just like that. All right, so I'm gonna use this piece, okay, while you playing with this piece. You playing with that piece? All right, then, sorry, this piece, we're gonna snap this one in, and then we're gonna screw this one. So you just line this up in the holes, and it says L and R for left and right. But it's just no way to confuse it because it can only go one way. Okay. And you playing with your part? Here. Let's see what Nemo's doing. She really wants to help me put it together. You see, she stands up on her own. Uh-oh. Huh? She's been practicing walking, practicing standing. She just don't trust herself too much right now. Okay. So I'm opening up the 3 screws to secure the bottom part, the parts that we just snapped in. You can't get this, sweetheart. It's plastic. You can't play with this. All right. So 3 screws. Okay. What? You want to watch mommy do the screws? You want to watch? You see? She's so interested in everything. Alright. So basically, I'm not going to tighten them down all the way. I'm just going to get them started. Just to secure them. And then I'll go in and tighten them down. I do that just to line everything up. And you see, I'm telling you, it's so easy. I'm doing it with the baby in my arm who wants to get down and crawl all over. One hand, like literally one hand. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bolt everything down, make sure it is secure. All right. She wants it now. She wants to get in now. You're gonna get in. You're gonna get to get in. Okay? All right. So. You hear the snap? All right. So. There again, one hand. I'm actually feeding her and still able to put this high chair together. That's how super easy it is. So we're gonna go ahead and put the back on. I lost my right hand, man. She left me. She was getting so sleepy, so we went ahead and gave her to her dad. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and finish up here. All right. So next, I'm going to assemble the chair. We're going to put the back onto the seat. There are little things right here that will go inside the hole. All right, so now I have the back assembled to the seat, and it should recline freely. Okay. Now I'm going to assemble the covering onto the seat. So we're going to add these pieces. Okay. So since she is small, I'm going to put the safety belt through the first hole and not the second hole. And this piece. All of this is machine washable. This right here, I would just wipe down. I wouldn't stick it in the washing machine, but I will wipe it down. But this piece right here, I wouldn't mind putting it in the washing machine. So I'm gonna add this part to it. This is so cute. Like, oh my goodness, it's so cute. I really like Graco products. I think they have really come a long way. Alright. So now we have like little plastic tabs right here that are gonna fit onto the arm part. Sorry. So it's some pieces here that you're gonna clip on. So we're gonna do that first. Then we're gonna snap it down on the side. What did I do? All right, so now we're going to assemble the seat to the base. This base comes attached to this base, okay? And one little flaw that I found is that you're supposed to detach this seat from the base before you put it on the chair, okay? So that's one little helpful tip that we didn't know. All right, so you press the red buttons to get it off the base, and now you do not press the buttons to get it down. You're going to assemble it, line it up, and it snaps right in. Okay, so this piece is done, and your final piece, yay! The tray. All right, so I'm just gonna place my foot here just to hold it so that it doesn't roll around. Easy peasy. So you have the tray here, and this right here is detachable. It's a little piece back here. You just lift it off, take it, clean it, wipe all the stuff off, and place it back. She is going to love it, and I'm sure your baby will love it as well. Super cute, nice, easy to put together. They have really cool colors. We chose this color because she's a girl, and they have like some, I want to say blue. They may have like a grayish color, but it's really stylish, and you guys saw me put it together basically with very little effort. Also, one more thing I wanted to tell you was that here's some cool features. Like the back, you probably can't see it, but in the back it has like wheel locks. You could just press it with your foot. So it does lock in place. It goes up and it moves freely. It's very easy to move. I really like this, especially with our floors. And you go down and it doesn't move. Also too, the back reclines. So I'm sure this will come in handy for like if she falls asleep and she's eating, we don't want to move her. Also for like little babies or whatever, you can use it for that. So, you know, when they eating, they just fall asleep, let them sleep. So anyway, that was just also too, this right here, there's two red handles on each side that you can see, and the sides of the table. But yeah, like I said, I think we're gonna like it. It's really cute, it's very stylish, and we will give you a review on it here shortly. So thank you again for watching our channel, and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button, and also hit that notification button so you will know when our next video will be out. Until next time, bye bye. Thank you again for watching.